Once upon a time, one of my clients asked me, Anastasia, can you do a nail art of a peaceful tiger as he's walking in the woods during the sunset? I was like, maybe let's do a tiger print instead. Even though I finished like hundreds of nail art classes at the moment, this request was something that I'm not able to do. If only I had this device back then, I could easily do exactly what she was asking for 20 seconds. Today, we will be trying O2Nails Portable Printer M1. Coming up. Hello, I'm Anastasia. Last year, I already tried Nail Art Printer by O2Nails, but a different model. That one was H1 Gold. Today, we will try a lighter portable version M1. Let's take a look inside. Wow, it is tiny. I'm one of those girls who always have a large purse because I like having everything I need with me. You know, just important daily stuff like computer, charger, power bank, pills, water bottle, band-aids, cosmetic, tissues, toothpaste, dental floss, batteries, umbrella. You got it. This printer could easily fit in there. It is small and super light, only 500 grams, which is around 1 pound. And it is pink. They also have this model in green, orange, violet, white, and golden rose colors. The kit includes small LED lamp, manicure kit, base coat, top coat, and 3 colors of gel polishes, white, red, and black, nail mask, also known as cuticle defender, print gel, cartridge cleaner, cleansing wipes, and removal wipes. Since I already have an experience with this device, this time it was super easy to set it all up. First of all, you need to go to App Store and download O2Nails app. It is available both for iOS and Android. Then connect to a printer Wi-Fi. You can find the name of the network and password in the instructions or on the printer. Once you downloaded the app, you can choose pictures from the gallery, or you can use your own. Let's try something. As I'm a cat person, I decided to try printing the cat. In the kit, they also include 2 plastic holders for tip, so it is super easy to practice and print directly on the tips. Secure the tip, don't really need any prep here, and then apply print gel. Do not need to cure, just secure it right there. Now we can see the tip through the camera here on the phone. Now let's choose the picture. And you can choose any part of the picture that you wish, but I think it's better if we will take the entire picture. Okay, and then if you click on this one, it will help you to position the picture right on the nail. It may stretch it a little bit. Okay, now it looks good, so let's print it. Yes, start printing. Printing takes only 20 seconds. Wow! Now let's cure it in LED. Done. After curing, the gel paint looks matte, and all we need to do is just to seal it with the top coat. And cure again for 60 seconds. I also tried printing different kinds of picture. It's quite important to choose bright, sharp, and high-resolution pictures for printing. Otherwise, you will not be happy with the printing qualities. Now, let's try printing something on the nails. I was thinking on what can I do on myself. During 16 years, I had so many different things on my nails, so it's getting hard to come up with something new. And then this thought crossed my mind: mood board. You know, the one where you pin all the pictures that inspire you? Why not print it on my nails? Ocean, sunset, and surfing. These things inspire me a lot. I found some pictures that include it all, and I just wanted to get inspired all the time. Whenever I feel sad, tired, or demotivated, I'll take a look on my nails and be like, okay, I just need to keep going. as I really want to be in that place as soon as possible, and I need to work a little more to make it come true. This is the picture of a girl surfing during the sunset. That's not me, unfortunately, but I hope that one day I will have a picture like that too. I just did a fill on my nails and buffed them. I decided to not use any color as the background, let's just keep it light and simple. Then I apply nail mask, which is the same as cuticle defender, around the cuticle. Once you apply it, you just need to wait a couple minutes and it will dry on air and turn into clear. We need this to protect the skin from printing the picture on it. Then I'm applying printing gel. I heard that some nail technicians who are using O2Nails printer, sometimes they freeze cure it for 5 seconds first, but for me it works better that way, without curing. So then you install the finger right into the printer, and it's definitely more exciting to see how it works, right? So I decided to take off this front panel so we can actually see what's going on there inside. And this is a lot like a regular printer. We can see the printing head going back and forth. And by the way, the finger is secured pretty well, but still you need to tell your clients to not move too much at this point, just to breathe out, relax, and sit. And it is quite possible because it's just 20 seconds of printing. And the finger is secured, so you cannot really move it to the side, but you do not need to move it up or down, because if you will keep it too low, the picture might appear a little blurry, and if you will go up, we will touch the printing head. Now it's printed, and all we need to do is to take off this nail mask, and if some of the paint got accidentally on the skin, you can also clean it right now before curing. Then cure in LED for 30 seconds. It also looks matte after curing. And all we need to do is just to seal it with the top coat. And by the way, this design stays on nails really well. All you need to do is just to have a buffed surface before printing it on the nails. And you can use this top coat from the kit, or any other top coat works as well. So I did another printing on the pinky, and now my favorite moment, taking off the nail mask so we can finally see the design, cure again, and seal with the top coat. So this is how my design looks like: sunset, sea, surfing, and palm trees. This is the final result. Honestly, I can't say the printing quality is like super duper sharp. I mean, if you take a close look, you can see these printing dots. The quality is much better when printing on tips compared to my nails. But the simple reason is that I have a deep C-curves. So in order to not touch the printing device, I need to lower my nails a bit, which makes the pictures a bit blurry. While tips are more flat, so that's why the printing looks so much better. So I think it will work out pretty great both on natural and sculptured nails, as long as they're not too curved. My conclusion is that this is the great replacement for a quick design that can be basically anything. It would be ideal for nail shops and salons in malls and any busy locations. I'm not sure if it will justify its cost for private nail technicians, but on the other hand, the self-cost is around 20 US cents, and you do not need any nail art skill at all. Let me guys know, what do you think? Would you consider buying this kind of device for yourself? I will leave the links in the description box as usual. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing, as I post tutorials and product reviews just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye!